Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best pots and pans available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the best pots and pans for their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best pots and pans consumer ratings and reports. Number 5. Gotham Steel Professional Hard Anodized Pots and Pans Set. Stronger than stainless steel cookware. Hard anodized aluminum exterior is dense, non-porous, and highly wear-resistant for the ultimate professional performance. Premium nonstick cooking surface reinforced with the Gotham Steel titanium and ceramic delivers the ultimate food release. 0.3-quart sauté pan with lid, 3-quart chef's pan with lid, and 6-quart stockpot with lid. Number 4. Calphalon Classic Pots and Pans Set. Impact-bonded aluminum base distributes heat evenly for exceptional browning, searing, and sautéing. Stainless steel long handles stay cool on the stovetop. Convenient measuring marks, pour spouts, and straining covers allow you to cook with efficiency. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Number 3. Cuisinart 77-17 N 17-piece Chef's Classic Set. Brilliant stainless steel finish. Classic looks, professional performance. Aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly. Eliminates hot spots. Oven safe to 500F. Cook on the stovetop, in the oven, or under the broiler. The freezer is safe for easy storage. Number 2. Anolon Advanced Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Pots and Pan Set. Durable construction. Hard anodized construction provides efficient, even heat distribution. High quality, metal utensil safe nonstick delivers superior food release and effortless cleanup. Shatter-resistant glass lids retain heat and moisture during cooking, and the pots and pans are oven safe to 400 degrees F. Number 1. GreenLife CC002378-001 Soft Grip 16-piece Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set. Our healthy and easy to clean ceramic non-stick coating is derived from sand and free of PFAs, PFOA, lead, and cadmium for effortless cooking and quick cleanup. Soft grip Bakelite handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop for maximum comfort. Made from recycled aluminum and reinforced with a wobble-free base for extra strength and even heating. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.